Today we're fitting a rainwater gauge by Rain Harvesting. These are around the $50 mark. They're pretty inexpensive, unlike some of the other ones, and they're pretty easy to install. Got our water tank. I'm going to put it in, and I've got a location just here on the inlet outlet connector. Well, normally this should always be the outlet connector area. So we've got a spot there where we can put it. We're going to put it there. Should be able to see it from over there. I'm just about tempted to mount it in this corner actually, just so I can see it easier. Although, if I mount it facing that way, I can just walk over there and look at it. Right, so now we just have to put the screws in. Stainless screw. Oh, stainless screws, of course, so they don't stick to the magnet. Just be careful not to drop them. Of course, I've got the gauge facing the other way because I want to be able to see it from over there. It's less walking. Let's walk over from the house and see what the water level's like. Oh, just as well there's that ledge there. By the fingers. The screws came with it. Right, so before I put the screws in, I'm just going to go over to the other side, have a look in the tank, and we'll see where the water level is in the tank. And we'll try and get some sort of gauge on our full and empty. Right, go and have a look in the tank. Check this level. See if we can put the light on. Alright, so this pipe here, it goes down to the bottom and has another pipe with holes in it running across the bottom, so that when it's overflowing, this sucks dirt off the bottom of the tank, keeping the bottom of the tank clean. I've got my other overflow over there coming off the top of the tank, and that will take out anything that's floating on top of the water when the tank's overflowing. And then of course we've got our new rainwater gauge. The tank is down a little bit. See the pipe. Right, and yeah, that's about where I had to set, so the gauge is pretty good, actually just factory set. Right, now I can just walk from the house over to here and see how much water I've got in my tank at a glance. Like I was saying, these are only $40 to $50 depending on where you are.